Hey y'all, welcome to Chaz's Cuisines. Today we're making lemon pepper chicken wings. So we have our clean chicken in a bowl. I took about 2 cups of flour and put that in another bowl. I'm just seasoning up this flour with some sazon, of course, some garlic powder, chili powder, and onion powder, the classics that I always use. You can season however you want, but I do recommend this way. Add a little bit of Old Bay seasoning instead of sea salt. Now I'm going to mix that in very well. My oil is preheated on 350. Now I'm just going to start placing my clean chicken in my flour. I also pat dried this chicken beforehand. This is a quick and easy recipe. We're just going to toss our chicken and lightly coat. So now I'm just placing my chicken in our fryer, and I'm going to fry these for about 7 to 8 minutes. I'm going to check to see, because I like my chicken wings very crispy, especially if I'm putting like a hot sauce on it, like butter. So I'm just placing about 3 tablespoons of butter into my bowl. I use unsalted butter, and I'm just seasoning up with some unsalted lemon pepper, a little bit of Old Bay and chili powder, and a sprinkle of onion powder, as well as parsley. And I'm just going to melt that in for about 30 seconds. Now once my chicken is done frying, I'm going to place those chicken wings in a bowl. And then I'm just going to drizzle that melted buttery lemon pepper sauce all over my wings. And we're going to toss that. You want to toss it very well and serve it immediately so they're hot and crispy. It's so good. If you decide to recreate this dish, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisines.